Hi graphic designers and design enthusiasts, welcome to today's tip brought to you by Digital Art 237. I'm Asir Maul Jonathan, your humble servant. So I'm going to share a quick tip with you to show you how to create this cylinder ribbon that I had to use in this visual. So this cylinder, I've already created it in Cinema 4D. Today we're going to see how to create the same cylinder directly in Photoshop. It's very easy. You'll see it's not complicated. First, we're going to import our element that we're going to place here. You go. We're going to take a rectangle. We're going to create a rectangle shape here. All right. I'm going to draw it like this. Okay, great. Then we inserted some text inside. Well, it's better to insert it outside first so that it doesn't get combined with the rectangle. Okay. I'm going to put, for example, digital art. You can put whatever you want inside. There you go. That's great. Let's place our text there like this. Then we select both elements, the text and the layer. So there you go, we click on the right. We're going to convert it to a smart object. There you go. Once it's a smart object, now we can apply our cylinder deformation. It's super simple. We select one of the anchor points. I took, for example, the one at the top. It goes directly into deformation mode. We right click, we click on deformation. There you go. Now we're heading to the options bar right at the top. We're going to take deformation here. And then we're going to take cylinder. Automatically, Photoshop will deform our element to position it like this. We're going to confirm this deformation. Then, we're going to duplicate this cylinder. Ctrl-J on the keyboard. We're going to place our new copy behind our element. There you go. We click again on an anchor point. We right-click. Deformation. All we need to do is lift this new deformation higher. And just like magic, we have our cylinder effect. So what do we need now? We're just going to chain, and we will select both of these elements. And then by chaining, it means that whenever we move one, it will also move the other. We can see, but there you go. It's really great in just a few minutes. You really have this technique that I realized in my video to tilt like this. There you go. It's great. There you go. There you go. There you go.